Hi Sparks Cam team! I am a huge fan. I have been watching your show since season 1 and sadly magsi-season 3 na and I am still single. So I really need your help for me to find my spark. I am Ronaldo Montañez. I'm 37 years old and I work as an IT service desk team leader in a BPO company. I am an outgoing person. I love to travel. I love to experience culture and meet new people. It really makes me happy to socialize. So if ever I'll be part of the new set of campers, I'm definitely gonna have a lot of fun. Everyone sees me as someone who is approachable, easy to talk to, and easy to share their problems with. Maybe because I always make sure to wear a smile. It's good for everyone. As for my love language, I really love to cuddle, physical touch, and acts of service so I can cook and take care of you. Please, Sparks Camp, give me a chance to find my one and true love. Thank you.